guys, we're at shows, so as you might be able to hear, very excited for this one. Needed to post something. Only posting once a month, so it kind of sucks, but I should be able to post 2 videos out this month. I'm hoping. So I hope I can do better for this one, do some better commentary and stuff like that. So see you guys. This thing is beefed up. Holy cow. Look at that thing. There's gonna be a lot of Corvettes here though, so this is kind of the sucky part. I don't know why there's so many Corvettes in Omaha, but look at that thing. You know, for sure this thing sounds really good. This thing's so cool. Side exhaust too. That is amazing, to be honest. That thing probably does sound really good. This car's very cool too. This car I love. It's so like clean in the inside too, and just very fancy, and right-hand drive. So sub too. Love this thing. You got curtains right here. Very cool. But there's still plenty of spots out here. I saw this pulling in, Toyota Supra. Sounding real good. Real nice. Look at that. Carbon fiber. There's more right there by the exhaust. Very nice. Why did Sony pull up with the Tesla though? This one, my friend needs this one, Alex. I always see this car too. This thing's so cool. I see that like almost every single day. I see this too a lot. This thing's so cool too. I love this car. Follow him on Instagram. Thing's so clean. A lot of decals on it. The thing is pretty sure. I know this guy on Instagram. I'll show everybody's Instagrams in the description. Scat Pack. Very clean car. Love this car. R35. I love this thing. It's a dream car right there. Next to the Toyota Supra. There's a Corvette. 2 other Supras. This thing's so cool though. It sounds so good too. There's an R35. 2 very good cars. Especially that Supra. Very well modded. There's a drag Corvette. Very nice. My gosh. Stripped everything off this thing. Another BMW. I hate these things, to be honest. They're like way too big. Maserati. Probably not reliable, but still very clean car. Carbon fiber right there. Sorry. Saints Fly sounds good though, so. Some Porsche. Interesting. Oh, this interior is very nice. Some nice fitment, some wheels, a lot of Porsches over here. There's another Porsche pulling in right here. Thing's very clean. GT3 RS right there. More Porsches. There's a Porsche right here. 4GT down there. I don't know if you guys can see that though. This thing's very cool too. A Mercy, an Omaha. That's just crazy to think. Crazy. BMWs. There's a Lotus down there. Another R35. Very nice. Look at that thing. The R35 is amazing looking. There's a NSX right there, 4GT. These are very clean looking cars. I love the look of the 4GTs. They're very nice. There's a Viper, Aston Martin right here. This thing's real cool too. Look at this. Very nice. Manual V10. That's amazing. Amazing. That'd be so much fun. It's carbon fiber. Very nice car right here. Here's the NSX. Very clean. I see this thing too. This thing's so cool with the color. With that blue. Obviously it's electric, but honestly, this looks like a lot of fun. There's the Mercedes. Here's the other one. This was here last time. I haven't seen this thing though. Another R35. Carbon fiber wing. Or did I say wing? Oops. Here's another one. A lot of carbon fiber on this thing. Very cool. Saudi. Very nice cars. Honestly, I love this show. It's so close to home too. Just amazing. There's a 720S, and then there's a oh, never mind, that's a 765. Very nice car too. A lot of carbon fiber all over. A lot of carbon fiber. Here's an old 90s NSX. Manual. Very nice. This is a Ferrari. Love these things. So cool. Some more Corvettes down there. Very nice. I guess we'll wait till more cars pull up. GT3 right here. I love that thing too. I love the orange on it. It looks amazing. Here's a Caddy. A Mustang pulling in. This Shelby sounds probably pretty nice. Infiniti right there. Clean looking. Some rims. Those are real nice rims. Mercedes pulling in now. Very nice car. AMG. Here's the drag wire. See the thing all the time too. Here, at least. Very nice car. Mitsubishi right here. Very clean car right there too. I wanted one of those, but now I don't. There's a Porsche pulling in. lifted Silverado right there. D&W pulling in. That thing's real clean. Corvette. I don't even know what that is. I think it's a Lexus. Honda Accord. Ram. There's a Lexus right down there too. 720S. These guys are pulling in. I know all of these guys on Instagram at least. 720S, Huracan, some carbon fiber. The Lotus, hot take. I think I'd rather have that. Well, maybe not the 720S though. Another Lotus. Audi R8 pulling in. Corvette. There's a Shelby right there, the Audi R8, BMW. Obviously still a lot of Corvettes, but it is what it is. Glad to be here this month. Once a month, so very nice. Porsche coming in. Very clean. Another Porsche.
to be so fair though, there have been worse cars.